Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict anyone on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Facebook Messenger app. And if you don't necessarily want to block the person, but you want to restrict them, it's easy to do so. So I'm just going to tap on one of these profiles right here, and then at the very top, I'm going to tap on the profile of the person. So you can see I'm tapped on this profile. And if I want to restrict them, I can just scroll down until it says privacy and support. And it gives me the option to restrict, so I can tap restrict. And it says that the person is restricted. And at the top it says learn more. So now I've restricted this account. I can always tap that on restrict to unrestricted this account if I want to, if I decide that I want to receive messages from this person again on Facebook Messenger. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.